Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to move your documents, downloads, and desktop folders to different drives that are attached or installed in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa ating start video, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa ating search bar ay search lang natin yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang yung Notepad. So dito sa ating File Explorer homepage, kung paano ba natin i-move ang isang downloads, documents, or folders to different drives ay napakasimple lang. So select lang natin ang ating desktop. So right click ka lang dyan. And then kailangan mo lang select yung properties. So dito sa kanyang properties ay kailangan mo lang select yung locations. So dito sa locations ay kailangan mo lang select yung move. So dito sa select destinations ay select ka lang dito kung saan folders mo siya isi-save. So nandito yung mga folders natin. And then kung gusto mo naman itong i-save sa drives natin, so napakasimple lang. So select mo lang dito yung ating disk PC. And then select ka lang dito. Okay, so halimbawa, dito natin si-save sa D drives. Select mo lang yan. And then click mo tong select folders. Click mo yung apply and then click mo yung okay. So ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. So kung gusto mo namang i-move yung drives files natin, so napakasimple lang. So select mo lang from this PC and then select ka lang dito sa ating drives. So halimbawa dito sa D drives natin, so mag right click ka lang dito and then select mo lang yung properties and then same procedure, click mo yung locations and then click mo yung move. So dito sa kanyang select destination, so select ka lang dito kung saan folders or drive mo sa save. So halimbawa dito sa ating drives list, select mo itong C drives natin, click mo lang yan. And then click mo yung select folders, click mo yung apply, and then click on OK. So ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano ba natin i-move yung documents, downloads, desktop folders to different drives. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.